There is just a whole risk, just like all inside of Oklahoma. This is not going to be good. They already issued a watch I missed. This is not looking good at all. Well, let me just skip ahead. Yeah, this is not looking good at all. I'm just going to leave my phone here, just recording. And maybe I can capture alerts with that.
Cloudy, with a temperature of 90. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 70. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Washington County in western Oklahoma, southwestern northeastern Kiowa County in southwestern Oklahoma.
What is it? Severe thunderstorm?
Oklahoma, eastern Dewey County in northwestern Oklahoma, western Canadian County in central Oklahoma until 10:30 p.m.
Damage
Central
is
Daylight Time.
considerable.
At 9:25 p.m. Central
Alright,
Daylight
it's in
Time,
Canadian
severe
and,
thunderstorms were
I
located
think
along
Caddo,
a line
I think,
extending
no,
from
that's
6 miles
Kingfisher.
west of Oakwood
It's in
to
Canadian
north of 3 miles
Kingfisher.
west of Godibo, moving east at 40 miles an hour.
I love those lights.
Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Penny.
This is a radar-indicated threat.
What are the winds?
The following impacts are expected.
70
Expect
70 miles per hour.
damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Alright, I'm gonna go back to watching the battle bots.
Weatherford, Anadarko, Watonga, Hinton, Carnegie, Geary, Thomas, Hydro, Mountain View, Winger, Fort Cobb, Canton, Calumet, Corn, Cement, Custer City, Eakley, Gracemont, Godibo, and Lakiva. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Norman Fisher. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means...
Oh boy, it's another one! Wow,
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Washington County in western Oklahoma, northern
Wow, you're delayed as ever.
western Oklahoma, western Grady County in central Oklahoma, Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, northeastern Kiowa County in southwestern Oklahoma until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending
cool.
40 miles east of Alfalfa to 4
Awesome.
miles southwest of Boone to near Mears, moving east at 30 miles an hour.
Only reason why it's
Expected hazards
tone
include
is
60 miles
because
an
it's
hour
in
wind
front
gusts.
of Grady.
This is a radar-indicated
Wow.
The following impacts are expected.
Man, I just want this severe alert to not be active for a full week at least.
Locations impacted include Chickasha, Anadarko, Elgin, Carnegie, Apache, Fletcher, Smil, Mountain View, Sterling, Fort Cobb, Verdon, Cement, Madison Park, Gracemont, Norge, Mears, Boone,
Next thing you know,
Albert,
it's
Lake
gonna be a
Chickasha,
tornado
and Lake
out there.
Watonga. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Still can't believe that risk is just all inside of Oklahoma and nowhere else.
Flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Severe thunderstorm watch number 460 remains.
It's the watch? Why is it the watch? Are they? Oh my! I think they're updating it.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 460 remains in effect until 1 a.m.
Yeah, they're expanding it.
And now includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Cleveland, Logan, McLean, and Oklahoma. Remember, severe thunderstorm watch means
Why are you so active?
severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Oklahoma.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:13 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles west of Tecumseh to 4 miles northwest of St. Louis to 3 miles southwest of Asher, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shawnee, Seminole, Tecumseh, Wewoka, Kanawha, Maud, Girlsboro, Molex, Asher, Tribby, Gwinnett, Johnson, St. Louis, Sassacua, Brookville, Macomb, Little, Bethel Acres, Lima, and Harjo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Canadian County. At 9:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of El Reno, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include El Reno, Yukon, Calumet, and Concho. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter, inside a strong building and away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10. If you can hear thunder,
You are close enough to be struck by lightning!
a strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northwestern Oklahoma.
Severe thunderstorm warning! Whoa, whoa. You're delayed. Is it still recording? Yes, I'm
The
glad it is.
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Cool.
At 9:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Concho, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations include northwestern Oklahoma City, El Reno, Yukon,
Hey, how are you?
Okarche, Cashin, Concho, and Richland. Prepare immediately for large hail and
My
damaging
weather radio
winds.
is going off again.
People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building.
What?
Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to
There's just
localized flooding.
Big storms
Do
coming
not
our
drive
way.
your vehicle through flooded roadways. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northwestern. Locations impacted include northwestern Oklahoma.
They're going off!
I don't hear them. Where are you?
I'm trying to get past this red wall.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Oklahoma County in
Oh, great, now we're in the storm.
southwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 10:45.
Okay, glad my phone was still recording.
At 10:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over northwestern Oklahoma City, Oregon, 5 miles northwest of the village, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a
Holy crap!
threat. The following impacts
They are taking the patience.
to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Oklahoma City, Edmond, Bethany, War Acres, The Village, Piedmont, Spencer, Nichols Hills, Forest Park, and Lake Aluma. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds.
Oh
People
wow.
outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building.
Big hail and big winds. Wow.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
What?
The National Weather Service in Norman has is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
I'm spinning so freaking fast right now, dude.
Crashes and
Flash flood warning, first time! First flash flood warning, holy crap.
Hey, I'm gonna play some Garden Warfare 2.
Okay.
National Weather Service flash flood warning for northeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Oklahoma County in
Oh shoot, I'm in it.
Oklahoma, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Hey, Felix.
10:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Yeah?
Doppler radar indicated
What day are you
thunderstorms
wanting
producing
to
heavy
spend
rain
the night?
across the Warden area.
I don't know, maybe this Friday or something.
Additional
I'm sorry,
rainfall
what?
Maybe-
amounts to 2
Maybe like this Friday or something.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin
I was
shortly.
thinking this Friday.
Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source:
Felix,
radar.
tomorrow's Friday.
Oh shoot.
Impacts are expected. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses.
You're playing Garden Warfare 2?
Drainage and low-lying
Yeah.
areas.
Hold on, let me hop on my Xbox.
Experience flash flooding include
Gosh dang flash flood. We're in a flash flood.
Yukon, Bethany,
Oh gosh,
War
really,
Acres,
really?
Yeah,
Piedmont,
Flash
Nichols
flood?
Hills, Richland, and
we're under one right now.
Honest.
turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
We're gonna get some very heavy rainfall right now.
Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be
thought
aware
you
of
were
your
perfect.
surroundings and do not flooded.
And the camera bugs again.
The National Weather Service 2 inches are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in
Alright, here we go.
Okay.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Logan County in central
Loading in now.
Canadian County,
Alright. I'm trying to put some on the skin.
At 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles east of Okarche, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northwestern Edmond, Guthrie, Kingfisher, Piedmont, Crescent, Okarche, Cashin, Cedar Valley, Cimarron City, Nadina, and Sword. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Flood advisory advisory in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight. Oklahoma, North Central. Oklahoma, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Marland, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and vehicle-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, and trees.
Right.
Locations impacted include Morrison, Glencoe, Red Rock, Marland,
I am so sorry.
and Sirius. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Is that it?
The National Weather Service.
Okay, yeah.
To your weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest
I
severe
freaking
weather.
missed one.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, southeastern Major County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 9:15.
How can I miss this one, dude?
20 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Like, how can I miss this one?
4 miles southeast of Fairview.
Where's it at?
Southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazards include 60 miles an hour.
Wait, where did it go? Oh, I didn't scroll up. Yeah, this one. Blaine, Garfield, Kingfisher. Kingfisher's the only reason why I got toned, but I missed the tone because we were just trying to get to Grandma's house to stay the night. And when we got something to eat at Burger King, missed this. It's just the one alert.
The National Weather Service has issued severe.
And then it talks about the watch. They just expanded the watch. They're gonna tone it. They're gonna tone it. They're gonna tone it. The expansion of the watch. Yep. I knew it. I freaking knew it because they expanded for a few counties, a few more counties in the area that this thing took in the central counties. Yeah, that's right.
A severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent,
Oh great, now there's a flood advisory. Although that's for like the Tulsa eastern Oklahoma and part of Arkansas.
radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Nice.
Severe thunderstorm
Definitely got that.